We're currently entering a new era, and if you haven't been paying attention, you better wake up before you miss out. The way brands market to consumers has been changing, and overpolished ads are dying. Influencer marketing, way saturated, and right now companies are desperate for one thing: content that actually converts at a reasonable investment for them to keep coming back and trying and testing until it works. And that's why we're seeing a flood of people like you and me, getting paid thousands of dollars to make simple videos for these brands. No experience, no followers, and no complicated business model at all. It's called user-generated content, and it's creating an entirely new economy. One that is paying creators $1,000, $5,000, even $10,000 plus per month. And if you think this is just another internet fad, you better think again, because this is just getting started. Right now, brands need video content more than ever before. But here's the catch. They don't want to hire full-time videographers, and they don't want to spend $50,000 on a single overproduced ad campaign. Instead, they're paying regular people with nothing but an iPhone, internet connection, to create video content for them. And the crazy part, these brands don't even care if you have followers. They just want your content that sells to integrate it into their ad platform and run it. And that's why this is the biggest content opportunity of the last decade. And the best part, you don't need to be an influencer. You just need to know how to create content that brands actually want to pay for. And if you've ever made a TikTok, an Instagram Reel, or a YouTube Short, then you're already halfway there. This is for the people that want to make money from their phone. They're tired of trying dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or other outdated side hustles. They don't want a 9-to-5, but they also don't want to spend years building an audience because, let's face it, nothing is guaranteed and it takes far too long. They probably just want a simple way to make money online without investing thousands of dollars up front. Sounds about right? Look, I've made over 6 figures in my first year as a UGC creator. But more importantly, I've helped people with zero experience land paid UGC deals within weeks of starting, like Matt, who made $1,200 from one brand in his first 30 days as a UGC creator, or Michael, who only 3 months into UGC signed a 6 months retainer for $1,000. And no, these aren't big influencers. They're normal people like you and I. The change happened when they followed a proven system. Let me guess, you're thinking, I need followers. Nope, brands don't care about that. I need fancy equipment. No, your phone is all you need. I don't know how to find brands. Well, we have a repeatable system for this. I don't know how to make good content. Look, it's way easier than you think. The only reason most people fail at UGC is because they don't follow a proven system. Let's compare UGC to other ways of making money online. Dropshipping. It's high risk, very stressful, and it takes months to get sales. YouTube, not guaranteed to work at all. Plus, it takes years of grinding, and you need an audience. Freelancing, competitive, and time-consuming. UGC, brands need content right now, and they're paying creators just like you and me today. UGC is the fastest way to start making money online right now, period. And here's how it works. Step 1, you set up your portfolio in under an hour. I'll teach you how. Step 2, you find brands that need UGC. They are everywhere. Step 3, reach out the right way. And most people get this completely wrong. Step number 4, close deals and deliver the goddamn content. Simple, repeatable, and scalable. So now, you have 2 options, my friend. Option 1, you can keep scrolling TikTok, be a consumer, trying to figure out all of this on your own. Or option number 2, you can follow a proven system that has helped others land paid brand deals in just weeks. So if you're serious about making money with UGC, I'll take you through my exact system. Introducing the Creator Catalyst Academy, the complete system to land your first UGC brand deal. Here's what you'll learn: how to script, shoot, and edit content, how to sound like a professional when you're talking to brands, how to create and launch your own Facebook ads, how to create, edit, and launch your own portfolio. And here's the deal. This is a limited time launch price. Once the spots are filled, prices will go up. So if you want to take advantage of the UGC boom while brands are still paying top dollars, now is the time. So click the link below, get instant access, and start making money as a real UGC creator today. I'll see you on the inside.